Welcome back. In this video, I will guide you how to merge three rows in Excel. In the first method, which is the physical merge, and it is best for the headers. For example, I have a heading over here and select the three rows. Go to the Home tab on the ribbon, and in the alignment group, click on this merge and center. Click on that. So you can see that the three rows have been merged in Excel. So if you want to combine the content of the three rows into a single cell without losing data, so you need to use the formula. Then the first formula is the text join. So for this you need to put the equal sign type text join, open the bracket, double quote, space, double quote, comma, space, and if you have any empty cell then type true to ignore the empty cell, and comma, space, and select the range from A to C row and close the bracket, hit enter. Then here you can see that the three rows data merge. There is a simplest method for just a few rows. You need to use the ampersand formula. For this you need to put the equal sign, select the first row, space, use the ampersand, space, double quote, space, double quote, and space, use the ampersand and space, select the second row, space, and use the ampersand and space, double quote, space, double quote, space, and click ampersand and space and select the third row and hit enter. So this is the simplest formula for just a few rows. So there is another way, which is the CONCAT, which is useful to add custom text between entries. So for this you need to put the equal sign type CONCAT, open the bracket and select the first row, comma, space, double quote, space, double quote, comma, space, select the second row, comma, space, double quote, space, double quote, comma, space, and select the third row and close the bracket, hit enter. And this is what you can easily three rows merged in Excel cell. So I hope you understand how you can merge three rows in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.